Okay, 2 seconds, and of course, yes, we closed this trade in profit. Hi there! Guys, when I first thought about starting to trade, I spent a long time reading articles and watching videos on trading. And I was scared to start. This video is for people like me. Stop being afraid. Just grab that old bill lying around in your pocket, put it into a deposit, and multiply it tenfold in 5 minutes. It's easy, I'll show you. But first, I'd like to show you my Telegram channel, where I share the free trades that I make myself. Just follow my posts, trade based on my tips, and start making money. But first, I want to show you the theory, by which we will make our first money today. Let's take a look. Let's start with the theory. First, we will draw a resistance level. It would be a red rectangle. Of this part, I'll name it resistance level. Like I said, this is our resistance level, and it holds the price on lower values. Now I'll draw another rectangle below. Here it is. I'll paint it green and name it support level. This rectangle prevents the price from dropping too low. You may ask, Leah, how can one trade by using only 2 rectangles? It's easy, my friend. Easy and foolproof. Watch, first we need to find 2 spots, at least 2. Here we are. First and second, and a little higher 2 and 2. Based on these spots, we can tell what the price is moving along our levels. Our strategy is very simple. We see at least 2 points like this, and the price comes to them again. We open a trade in the opposite direction. We could have opened here, here, and here, near resistance level, and here from the support level. As you can see, most of them, around 90%, would give us money. All we need is at least 2 connection points with the level. And now we are ready to trade. Let's get started! And we will switch to my favorite Japanese 15-second candles. Next, let's add some currency pairs in advance. Trade time is 1 minute and the amount is 20 bucks. Alright, and let's start looking. We'll be searching on a 1 minute time frame. It makes it easier to spot steady levels. Oh, here's a spot we can enter, and I'll show you the level now. We had a level breakout, but then a retest happened and the price returned down. Then it approached the level again and bounced back. Now the price has bounced down from the level and I open a short trade. There it goes, it bounced. Trading after a level breakout like this isn't risky since the price bounced and confirmed the level holds. We are just hovering. Drop already. Oh, it's gone up. I don't like it. The price should drop because sellers are stronger. You can see it. Come on! Yes. No. Very unstable situation. Oh my god, we got our money, guys. It was very risky, it was so close. I see you haven't subscribed to my channel. Don't you like how I trade? If you really want to learn trading, subscribe. My videos are full of useful info. Okay, I will enter here with 38, opening long. Let me draw the level here, it is. Okay, let's change the time frame. Oh, sorry for the bad internet. Yes. Let's mark this out. We've reached the level and the price should go up along this arrow. Holding steady. Oh, 10 seconds left. Look, it's starting to rise. Perfect. Yes, the trade's ours. And now we have 73 bucks and we've only made 2 trades. And let's keep looking, guys. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's a join link to my Telegram channel, where you can message me personally and ask for advice anytime. It's great chance, don't miss it. Great sport for a long entry, guys. Let's work. Here's the level. And we have a very strong level here after a long downtrend. Buyers will step in now. Yes. Wow, that's amazing. I like it. It's perfect entry, guys. Gorgeous. So beautiful. Yes, of course, the trade's ours. And we are already up to 7 on the balance. Let's look for more trades. Okay, right here. Perfect. Open a long trade with everything that made so far. Here's the level, and we've returned to it again. Here, here, and here we've reached it before, getting a strong reaction each time. And it will be the same now. Like I said, a super strong rally. Beautiful, right, guys? Okay, 15 seconds. So beautiful. This isn't even trading, it's like printing money. Okay, 2 seconds, and of course, yes, we closed this trade in profit. And now we have 270 bucks in the final balance. And as you can see, it's not hard, guys. And here are the trades they made today. We started with a small trade size, but in the end we grew 20 bucks into a monthly salary in India, for example. And anyone can do it. Just watch my videos, soak up the knowledge and practice. Thank you all for watching. Good luck and see you soon, guys. Bye bye.